Why should I use nitrogen in my tires? You may have heard about using nitrogen instead of regular air to inflate your car tires. But is it worth the hype? While nitrogen inflation is not a necessity for every driver, it offers several benefits that make it a compelling choice for some. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why you might consider using nitrogen in your tires and the advantages it can offer. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Improved tire pressure stability. One of the primary advantages of using nitrogen in your tires is its ability to maintain more stable tire pressure over time. Unlike compressed air, which contains a mix of gases, nitrogen is a dry and inert gas. This means it doesn't contain moisture or the other gases present in regular air, such as oxygen. Moisture in compressed air can lead to pressure fluctuations, especially as temperatures change. When the temperature rises, the moisture inside your tires can turn into water vapor and expand, increasing tire pressure. Conversely, in colder weather, the moisture can condense and reduce tire pressure. Nitrogen, being dry and stable, doesn't experience these fluctuations to the same extent, leading to more consistent tire pressure. 2. Reduced tire wear. Proper tire pressure is crucial for maintaining even tire wear. Underinflated tires tend to wear out faster on the edges, while overinflated tires wear out more in the center. Nitrogen's ability to maintain stable tire pressure can help ensure that your tires wear evenly, which can extend their lifespan and save you money on replacements. 3. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is not only essential for tire longevity, but also for fuel efficiency. When your tires are properly inflated, there is less rolling resistance, which means your engine doesn't have to work as hard to move the vehicle. This in turn can improve your gas mileage and save you money at the pump. By using nitrogen in your tires and experiencing fewer pressure fluctuations, you're more likely to consistently maintain the optimal tire pressure, thus helping to maximize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. 4. Increased safety. Maintaining the right tire pressure is not just about saving money, it's also about safety. Underinflated tires can affect your vehicle's handling, reduce your ability to brake effectively, and increase the risk of a blowout, especially at high speeds. Overinflated tires can lead to a harsher ride, reduced traction, and an increased risk of a loss of control on slippery surfaces. By using nitrogen, which helps maintain stable tire pressure, you are contributing to safer driving conditions. It reduces the likelihood of tire-related accidents and enhances your vehicle's overall performance and stability. 5. Reduced oxygen-related issues. Regular compressed air contains oxygen, which can interact with the tire's inner lining in the wheel, leading to corrosion and deterioration over time. Nitrogen, being an inert gas, doesn't react with these components in the same way. Using nitrogen can help extend the life of your tires and wheels by reducing the potential for oxidation and rust. 6. Eco-friendly option. Using nitrogen in your tires can be considered an environmentally friendly choice. Nitrogen is a natural, non-toxic gas that is readily available. It doesn't contribute to greenhouse gas emissions or harm the environment in any significant way. Additionally, because nitrogen helps maintain proper tire pressure, it can contribute to better fuel efficiency, reducing your vehicle's carbon footprint. 7. Benefits for high-performance and specialty vehicles. While nitrogen inflation offers advantages to all vehicles, it is particularly beneficial for high-performance and specialty vehicles, such as sports cars and off-road vehicles. These vehicles often operate under more extreme conditions and demand precise handling and tire performance. Nitrogen's stability in maintaining tire pressure and reducing temperature-related pressure changes can provide these vehicles with the edge they need in terms of performance and safety. Conclusion: is nitrogen right for you? While nitrogen inflation can offer several benefits, it's important to note that it's not a necessity for all drivers. Most passenger vehicles will perform perfectly well with regular compressed air, provided you regularly check and maintain your tire pressure. However, if you're looking to maximize the lifespan of your tires, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance safety, nitrogen inflation is worth considering. Many tire shops and service centers offer nitrogen inflation services, and some even offer it at no extra cost when purchasing new tires. Whether you choose to use nitrogen or not, the most critical aspect of tire maintenance is keeping your tires properly inflated and regularly checking their pressure. Proper tire care not only ensures your safety on the road, but also contributes to the longevity and performance of your tires. regardless of the type of gas you choose to fill them with. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.